If Steam is giving you error code 5, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help you get back into your game updates and installations without the frustration. This error is often tied to permissions, folder access, or file settings, so the good news is you can usually fix it with just a few quick steps. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into the first fix. The first thing you want to do is run Steam as an administrator. Start by fully closing Steam completely. Don't just close the window, make sure it is not still running in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen. If Steam is still active there, right-click it and exit fully. Once Steam is completely closed, go to your desktop and find the Steam shortcut. Right-click the shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives Steam the higher permissions it may need to update files, install content, or make changes without triggering error code 5. After Steam opens, try the update or installation again and see if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, move on to the next step. Now let's repair the folder permissions inside Steam itself. Open Steam and go to Settings, then click Storage. In the storage section, find the drive where your Steam games or files are stored. Next to that drive, click the three dots menu and choose Repair Folder. Steam will check the folder structure and fix permission-related problems that may be preventing files from being written properly. This step is especially useful if the error started after moving games, changing drives, or updating Steam. Give it a moment to finish, then test the install or update again. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is the file attributes on your Steam installation folder. Open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation directory, which is usually located at /program files x86/Steam. Once you find the Steam folder, right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, look for the Read-Only option near the bottom and uncheck it if it is enabled, then click Apply. When Windows asks how you want to apply the changes, choose Apply Changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. This is important because it makes sure the permission change applies everywhere. Steam needs access, not just the main folder. After that, click OK and let Windows finish applying the changes. Once that's done, launch Steam again and try your download, update, or installation one more time. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve Steam error code 5 right away. To quickly recap, first run Steam as administrator, then repair the folder through Steam's storage settings, and finally check that the Steam folder is not marked as read only. These steps are simple, but they can make a big difference when Steam is blocked from writing files properly. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming and PC troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.